using it. And
Work. There you go. There you go. No, we're there. Nice. Time. Back to the center. Carlos, when you step back, and then chin down. Lie with hips, all right? Good.
Get it. Why don't you use it?
Okay, wait, good. Okay. Sorry. Breathe. I want to see you step back and breathe. Get that chin down, Carlos. Good, break, right back to the middle. Set your combination up with your hands. I'll just throw it right on the back, set it up. Set it up. Break, right back to the middle. Remember, we're not going to chase. Right? We're not going to chase. Step back, he's going to come. He's going to come, you ain't got to chase. Nice. Oh, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Break it. That's it. Right out. Good. Break. Good. That's what I was looking for. Bring it to the middle. Bring it to the middle. You good? Good. Easy with that shoulder. Break. Circle. Chin down. Slide. Break. You're standing right there. You gotta slide side to side. You gotta slide. Standing right there. Winslow, when you can touch with that stiff arm, you got that stiff arm now? Touching. What's the point of touching with a stiff arm? With that claw. You alright with that claw? Come on, man.
I want to be in Susie's shot.
Chin down.
Oi.
Time.